A sight of a reddening sunset, a meticulously shaped pottery, a stark simplicity of a mathematical equation, a Japanese garden full of blooming cherries, a painting by a master. The beauty of all of those things is not prime, it is secondary. The first, the original beauty, is that of a woman. Around 3700 years ago, the story goes, Paris of Troy captured Helen, the wife of the Spartan king. The ancient Greeks launched an expedition, and after besieging the city of Troy for 10 years, they implemented a ploy. Feigning defeat and retreat, the soldiers built a giant wooden horse, which was then brought into the city by the Trojan people themselves, believing it was a gift in admiration of their defense. Inside were hidden a small group of soldiers who opened the gates and let the main army in. Troy was plundered, men were killed, women were taken back to Greece. Whether the story tells history as it actually was is not important. The story shows, and is consistent with histories and archaeological findings all around the globe, that the allure of women cannot be tamed. Men kill for her, men die for her, men strive for perfection for her, men wage wars for her. The beauty of a woman is not just alluring, it is overwhelming. Poems were composed, victories were celebrated, blood was spilled, all in admiration of or pursuit of women and their irresistible beauty. To say that men do horrible things and strive for greatness to win over a woman would be trite. It would be to say nothing of interest. Let's leave the legends, the heroic acts, the poets. Beside these exemplars is the uneventful world with normal people, like you and me, just going about our days. What we are not leaving behind is the desire for female affection. Men can do things for women that are dire in consequences, but men also do normal things, natural things. What are the consequences of those? Since before we've had tongues to tell the tales, men have been pursuing women, caring for women, falling in love with women. The purest of intentions, the highest of human emotions, the most noble of human connections, has effects. New life. The fruits of romance grow, ripen, take on color, and then they fall, they bruise, they rot. No matter how grand the tree of the new life, no matter how sweet the fruit, there is no escaping the world and its terrible claws. All shall suffer, all shall perish. And thus, attraction leads to creation. Creation is subject to destruction. The chase for beauty beats a path for misery. Love makes that which strikes a punch and that which cries in pain.